Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the OBS Studio application. Today I'm going to show you how you can record your system or your desktop audio and your microphone onto separate tracks. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the OBS Studio application on your device and you will see your desktop audio as well as the microphone setting. Now let's say that there is a gameplay going on in the background and this sound is being outputted with the desktop audio. You have the volume controls underneath. But whenever you start your recording, the audio will be put together in the same track. So to change this setting, click on the settings option at the bottom right corner. Now go into output from the left side and make sure the output mode is put to advanced. Now click on recording and here you will see the audio track option. By default, only one track will be enabled, which means that audio will be recorded into just one track. So make sure to check track 1 and track 2. Then click on apply and click OK. Now your audio will be outputted to two different tracks, but the desktop audio and mic will still be combined. So in order to change this, click on the settings underneath the audio mixer. This will take you into the advanced audio properties. So from this page, now you will need to separate the desktop audio and the microphone. Just look at the track section at the right side. You can uncheck the rest, apart from 1 and 2, which we have just enabled within the output settings. Now from here, we will need to guide the desktop audio into one track only and do the same with the microphone. So I'm going to set track 1 for desktop audio and uncheck track 2. And for the microphone, I'm going to uncheck track 1 and check the track 2. Once this is done, the desktop audio will be outputted into track 1 and your microphone will be outputted to track 2. Click on the close button and now you can start making your recordings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to record your microphone and desktop audio onto separate tracks on the OBS Studio software. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.